Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Samsung Galaxy F41, or I would say Samsung F41. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to reset a phone without data loss or without losing the data. So let's begin with that. So I'm assuming like you have been frustrating with your all these settings related to this particular phones, and you are planning to do the factory data reset. But I will really suggest you to follow what I am going to demonstrate in this particular video. Maybe you don't have to do the factory data reset, and that will surely save a lot of time at your side. Because for a factory data reset, firstly you have to take a backup, then you have to reset your phone, then you have to restore the data, then you have to reinstall the apps and so on. Sometimes it can yield 4 to 5 hours, or maybe sometimes it can take more than that as well. So it's a time consuming thing, or time I would say the time frame is little bit more. So in that particular scenario, let's begin with this particular part. So for that, you have to first tap on settings button. Afterward, you just have to scroll to the bottom and you have to tap on about phone. Afterward, just tap on reset. So here you will see one setting as known as reset all settings. Just tap it here, and afterward it will show you a prompt like this will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, settings for downloaded apps, and so on. So basically with this particular part, like no security settings will be disabled or reset, like your password will remain same. If you have set up any custom language, that will also remain same. Your Google account, Facebook account, or any account which has been associated on this account will be will be intact, like it won't be changing anything. Any personal data saved on this particular phone will not be deleted or will not be hampered. Settings that you have made for the downloaded apps from the Google Play Store will also be remain same, so it won't be doing anything. So if you are pretty sure that okay, I'm good to go with this particular like setup, then I'll recommend you to tap on reset setting. But before that, let me show you one thing, because this will reset all things. So by default I am connected to Wi-Fi. Once I'll do this, it will reset the Wi-Fi connections, or it will reset the Wi-Fi settings, and I have to re-enter the password. Aside to that, and let me show you that at present I'm using this as a brightness bar, and aside to that, like I haven't turned on always on display, it is do not disturb on, and so on. And other settings like these are the settings which I am using as of now. So let me just shut this off, and we can see that it is almost 80% of the volume. So once I'll reset, it will all reset everything on this particular phone. So I'm good to go with that, and if you are, then I'll recommend you tap it here. Afterward, it will prompt you for the very final time, like all settings will be reset to their default and can't be recovered. To apply the new setting, your phone will reset or restart. If you are pretty sure, then you can reset, tap on reset, otherwise you can go back. So at my side, I'm pretty sure, I'm just going to tap on reset button. So it will restarting device to reset setting. Please wait. So it will take nearly about 1 minute at most to restart your device. And afterward, once it will be successfully restarted, then it will take at most 2 minutes to reboot your phone successfully to the home screen or login screen. So finally the phone has been rebooted, and now it will take nearly about 2 minutes to log into the home screen or login screen, or I would say to boot to the login screen or home screen. So just wait till then. And a suggestion, do not play with volume rocker buttons or power button in this particular moment, because this will soft brick or hard brick your phone. So finally the phone has been successfully booted to the home screen or login screen. So it will take some time to load few things, because this is the initial after rebooting our phone. So now let me show you. First thing is that Wi-Fi is showing connectivity, but it is not connected to any Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi settings have been reset. Even my brightness bar has been increased to the default one. Let me do to the one which I like. Always on display has been reset, and so on. And aside to that, like I have pressed on do not disturb, that has been reset. Auto rotate has been reset, and so on. And aside to that, we have also shown in the volume rockers as well. So like I've just clicked like reset this part, but it has reset others, and that's why it is showing like this part. So basically using this part, it has reset all the settings related to all the system apps which have been shipped with your phone once when you have purchased it. So after doing this, it might resolve 80 to 85% underlying issues related to settings. Again, if it is not beneficial for you, then you can go for factory data reset, because by using this method, it will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes, not more than. And using this 10 minutes, if you can save 4 to 5 hours of time, then it will be really beneficial. Otherwise, factory data reset option is always there. So this was all from my side related to how to reset a phone without losing data or without data loss. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.